Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap St. Augustine local and long distance movers near me. Moving to St. Augustine FL is much easier if you have the support of a terrific mover like 3 Movers. Our St. Augustine movers are dedicated professionals, and whether you are moving in or out of the area, we will come to your home or business if the move is for an office or other commercial enterprise, and review the scope of work so we can submit an accurate estimate of the cost. The forecast includes assessing the shipment's weight, which is how we determine the price for your long-distance move. Our St. Augustine movers also include other charges for things like bulky items, long carries, and parking restrictions involved in the moving process. The 3 Movers representative from its St. Augustine Moving Company will review the rate quote with you and answer all your questions. 3 Movers is the best moving company working in St. Augustine FL community. The local movers of our moving company have a reputation as a premier vendor for residential and commercial relocations. Our customers trust our home movers in St. Augustine FL with their household goods and our commercial movers with their office equipment, and we take that responsibility seriously. When you are moving in the local area, call 3 Movers for a free estimate of the cost. Our representative will explain how the pricing works and meet with you to develop a moving plan without local movers for your situation. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our St. Augustine moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.